don't need this anymore. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Tech West Bacon, where we do authentic, raw, complete tech reviews on products. If it's your first time here, be sure to consider subscribing, pressing the bell notification, and join the family. A few months ago, I requested to do an updated what's in my tech bag. But I've had the opportunity to go to Miami for a week. So it would be a perfect time to show you guys what I carry in my tech travel bag when I'm going out on vacation. I travel, I like to keep it light, I like to keep it the bare minimum. So there's a few categories I like to cover. One, being entertainment. Like when I'm on a plane, I want to be able to entertain myself. Two, communication. Obviously, a cell phone is going to be the most important thing. And being a student also, and also an entrepreneur, I like to be able to be productive while I'm away from my main workstation. Thus, all the stuff that I do and carry with me on vacation or when I'm traveling have to cover those three things: entertainment, communication, and productivity. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly what I carry with me as I go on this trip. Let's get it going. So nothing has really changed when it comes to my tech bag. Like literally, this is my favorite tech bag so far. I know a lot of guys like to show you the Air Pack and all those really expensive tech bags, but personally for me right now, I can't really afford those bags. Those bags are in excess over 100, sometimes 200, 300 bucks. But my Swiss Army gear bag does me just fine. When I organize my bag, I like to organize it from the aspect of things I'm gonna need the most to the things I'm only gonna really use when I'm settled in the plane seat or settled in to where I'm going. So let's get into the bag. Whoop! So this bag, while I like this bag, there's a lot of compartments to this bag. If you want a full review on this bag, let me know. I do it. But let's see. So the first compartment is here. Move to the side. Oh yeah. So this is my passport. Very self-explanatory. I do carry this with me everywhere I go because this is a federal ID. So you will have no problem traveling if you keep your passport. This is simply a Coach passport carrier. I personally recommend you grab a passport carrier, especially if you're traveling a lot and you use a passport. I was gonna get the real ID, but the people at DMV said if you have the passport, it's no point in getting the real ID. So I always travel with my passport. That's that. What else is in here? Oh, my wallet. This is a very cool wallet, guys. If you haven't seen wallets of this nature, these very slim minimal wallets are becoming very popular now these days. This is the Fidelo brand. This is a nice carbon fiber that I use. I like this one because you easily throw it in your pocket. I'll show some B-roll. You can easily throw this in your pocket. You can store cards in there, flip them up, separate your cards. Also, you have a billfold in the back to throw some cash in. I don't really keep cash on me, but this is a very slim wallet that I carry with me. Next, we have, keys. So, I never really appreciated the use of Apple AirTags until this morning, actually. I couldn't find my keys anywhere. I normally have this little hook, or I have like an organizer on my desk where I throw my keys in, but for some odd reason, they fell behind something. So I opened the app up, go through, find my keys or whatever. Beep, beep, beep. And there we go. So that's just keys, keep those with me. What else? Oh, I keep my AirPods in the front pocket because I'm constantly taking my headphones out, putting my headphones in. So this is one part of my entertainment that I carry. It's one audio solution that I carry. These are the AirPods. The other solution that I'll show you a little later, but for the most part, these are what I will have in my ears the most time. AirPods aren't the best sounder, like you guys already know, but the convenience of AirPods are almost indispensable. The way they just sync with your phone, and they become a lot better with spatial audio and all that kind of stuff like that. But that's the AirPods. Keep it moving. What else do we have in here? So that's the front pocket. So the things I'm gonna need access to the most is my ID, passport. Put that back in there. Got a flat pack in this bag again. AirPods and keys. So this bag also has compartments for drinks. When you first go to the airport, you can't take drinks. Another deep pocket if you want to throw shoes in there. I will not do that. And then we have this top compartment up top. This is something that I never showed on the channel yet before. These are the Bose frames. You guys never seen the Bose frames. I want to say these are the Alto Bose frames, but I'm looking forward to using these. If you don't know, these are just simply a pair of glasses you can throw on that has built-in speakers, so you can pretty much isolate yourself and be able to listen to music and also protect your eyes at the same time. You know, being on the beach, your boy gotta be clean, so you gotta have a pair of shades. I also have some Ray-Bans that I normally wear, but I'm gonna try these out, and you guys will see some vlogs of me in Miami enjoying myself using some of these products I'm showing you. But these are the Bose frames. If you want a review of these, just let me know. So these are the Bose frames. You always gotta have a nice pair of sunglasses, especially when you're going to a sunny state like Miami. Those go in the top of the sunglasses compartment, which is made for sunglasses because they're reinforced. It has a reinforced part of it right there. So let's continue in the bag. So that's that. Let's go into this compartment right here. I don't know if I have anything in this compartment yet. Oh yeah, I do. Let's see what we got. Entertainment. The Nintendo Switch is going to be my main go-to entertainment. Also have a PS4 controller that I always take with me, because the iPad plus the PS4 controller is literally a great 1-2 punch when it comes to entertainment. But I'm currently using the Nintendo Switch. Honestly, guys, the new Nintendo Switch has come out, the OLED Nintendo Switch. A lot of people are disappointed about that. So I'm going to stick with the Switch Lite. Also, I'm really going to switch back to the original Switch, because this Switch is too little for my hands, and it almost defeats the purpose of having a Switch. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't switch, oddly enough. But the games I'm currently playing are going to be Sonic, Force, Apex, of course, Fortnite, Paladins, and I just bought the new Mortal Kombat game. So this is just be something to handheld. You know, we'd be up in there in the seat going crazy like that. That's the Nintendo Switch, and this is my favorite colorway for this Switch, actually. You know, it kind of matches, but yeah. There we go. That's the Nintendo Switch. And because I'll be diving and stuff like that while I'm in Miami, you guys know, gotta have, ooh, that boy got hands. You know, I always gotta have the GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 7. I think the 8 or the 9 is out right now. I thought about upgrading to it, but I'm trying to get used to using the equipment that I have already instead of constantly upgrading. But if you guys want to see it on the channel, I wouldn't mind purchasing it and, you know, doing a review on it. That's the GoPro. That's that. That's just another source for recording. So like I told you guys, when I'm going on vacation and I'm traveling, I try to keep my stuff minimal as possible. So my actual recording source I'm going to use for this trip is going to be the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will also be my communication tool. iPhone 12 Pro Max is literally, the camera is amazing, 4K. You know, keep it light, and also going to use something that's in the bag that I'm going to go along with that. So that's the Nintendo Switch and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let's keep it moving. You guys see there's plenty of space in this bag. All right, so this is the main compartment. Let's do this last. So, going along with the iPhone, I also have my DJI Osmo Mobile 2. There's a new one out. I thought about getting it, but like I told you guys, I'm really trying to get used to using all the stuff that I have already. And I have this nice little tripod thing. You can sit right here. You know, you can put your camera in there and just stabilize those images. Going with audio. So the AirPods are really good for, you know, convenience. But when I'm traveling long distance on the airplane, I gotta keep my Sonys with me. And I still haven't upgraded from these Sonys yet. I still don't find a need. Ooh, chill out. I still haven't found a need to upgrade from these Sonys. These are literally my favorite headphones, with the integration with the app and the headphones at the same time. There's really no point of upgrading from this. When I find a new pair of headphones, I might exchange my over-ear noise canceling headphones. But as of now, these still are the Sony. Oh, you got the long behind name. Yeah, WZYBDZ. Yeah, those Sonys right there. Still my favorite in the champagne colorway. You guys know how to get down. I used to put my headphones on the outside of my bag, but people steal these days, so I put those in the main compartment. So DJI Osmo Mobile 2, Sony headphones, app noise canceling. This is that. You can get into it in a few seconds. But in this bag also, it has these little compartments right here, and they're labeled, so you'll see like adapters. So I have a whole bunch of different adapters. This is for, you'll see what else I have in the bag. And I also have my MagSafe adapter for my iPhone. And this one, we also have another charger I keep right there. So I'll put that back in there, because I don't feel like packing this bag again. And we'll show you what else we have in here. So I showed you guys this before. This is my favorite new tech pouch. I did a video not too long ago on this tech pouch. If you guys haven't seen it, if you guys haven't seen my review on this tech pouch, be sure to watch this video. This is the Bellroy tech pouch. It is literally one of the cleanest tech pouches I've ever seen. I've done a lot of different, not really reviews, but I've had a lot of different tech pouches. And this Bellroy one is literally one of the cleanest I've seen so far. It doesn't look too techy, and also has a lot of space for a lot of things. So that's the reason why I like this one. Only gripe I would say about this one is the fact that it's kind of small, but I think when you begin to minimize things, make it smaller, you only pack in the essentials. So that's a really good thing about this one. So let's see what we got in here. I always keep my SSD drives. These are the Samsung T5s. You guys know about that. I can hold it up here for you. So this is Samsung T5. I have another T5 and another T5. Like I told you, I'm a student, so I gotta keep these with me because I'm doing work all the time. So Samsung T5 black, Samsung T5 in red. These are all 500 gigabytes. And then we have a Samsung T5. We have this one right here, which is the one with the fingerprint on it. This is the T7. Speeds are a lot faster. I post a different amount of speeds somewhere around here. 2 T5s and a T7. Then we also have the Chromecast right here. I haven't really even used my Chromecast because I have a smart TV in my bedroom, but you never know when you go to a hotel, Airbnb, or someone else's house who doesn't have a smart TV and you want to cast. I personally recommend getting a Chromecast and just leaving in your tech pouch. We also have the Magic Mouse, and we also have the Magic Trackpad. Like I told you, I'm going to take my laptop with me, so I got to be able to do work. And I'm not a real big fan of, just the trackpad. So always keep a mouse with you. I would preferably rather take my, I'll preferably take this Logitech MX Master 2S, but it's a little bulky, so I don't really want to take that with me. So we leave that here. The Magic Mouse does enough. Other than that, we have other assorted cables. We have a HDMI to a micro HDMI to regular HDMI. I'll show you guys what I use that for a little later. We have a mount GoPro, a few other various wires, iPhone cables, a micro USB cable. But then we also have USB Type-C cable. But that is a tech pouch. That is where a majority of my wires and stuff like that I need to get my work done is going to reside. In the Bellroy tech pouch, if you haven't seen that, haven't checked it out, I'll leave a link to all the things that I talked about in this video, so be sure to check that out. So keep it running. That is that. That is the main compartment right there. Like I told you, this bag has plenty of space. Like you said, I'm nowhere near even throwing this bag up. Put that right there. And last but not least, we're gonna go into the main portion of the bag. This is why I like this bag so much. You go on TSA, in and out of TSA, you have to open it up. This baby will open all the way up for you. So there we go. Let's see what we got. Of course, like I told you, everything is labeled. Down here, if you guys can't see, let me lift it up for you. Down here, it opens all the way up. It has a spot labeled for tablet. So you got a tablet. Normally my iPad, the iPad Air, new iPad Air 2020 is going to be right here, but I'm using it as a monitor over here, so you guys can't really see it. Obviously, it's not going to be in the bag right now. But as usual, I still have the same easy access external battery charger type of thingy. This is a 20,000 milliamp charger, charging at 75 watt hours. I'll probably never get rid of this because it just works so well. I can charge my phone up so many times. I can charge my laptop up with it if I use a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Very cool. So I throw that right up in there, and it has a thing you can use to charge. Cool. Then in here, I have a laptop riser for when I'm actually into my actual workspace. I put my laptop down, rise my laptop up, and get done when I gotta get done. But the newest addition to my tech pouch you guys haven't seen yet is going to be this right here. I always wanted me a nice external monitor, so I finally went ahead and bit the bullet. Not really bit the bullet because it wasn't extremely expensive, and purchased the Leapal external monitor. If you guys haven't seen this or heard about this, I personally recommend this for anybody who's into travel and gaming and everything like that. This is very good. It's not 4K. I want to get a 4K monitor, but I personally don't think you need a 4K monitor for a portable travel monitor. The reason I use this for twofold. When I'm doing my work, I'm so used to, as you can see behind me, having 2 screens and getting my work done efficiently. But also, because it's USB-C, I don't have to have another external power source. It powers directly from the computer. But this will be mainly for wherever I go, I can get some gaming in. I will show you guys some B-roll, just how easy it is to set this thing up, and how dope it actually is when it comes to using this monitor right here. That's literally everything I carry with me when I travel. I try to keep it light, try to keep it minimal, try to keep it efficient. Keep it simple, guys. You don't gotta do a lot of things, especially when you go on vacation. It's to wind down and enjoy yourself. So that is my travel tech pouch updated. If you have any questions on anything you see in the video, be sure to leave a comment down below and tell me what is the absolute essentials that you guys have to carry with you when you're traveling. I showed you mine. I want to see yours. So let's take Wersty Bacon. Peace.